Hello, my name is Rick, and I've had my new Phonak Audéo 170R hearing aids for about a month, and they are great. They're unobtrusive behind the ears, at least I think so. You can judge for yourselves. And I selected the silver color, not to match my hair, which is not quite silver yet, but I'm hoping. But because the silver tone stands out, and so they are easy to find on most surfaces. They come in a recharging case that accommodates them easily, and they're not hard to get in and out, and they are separated so you can discern the right from the left quite easily. Charging lasts for at least 18 hours. I've never had them, the rechargeable batteries run out. And I just plug them in before I go to bed and take them out, leave them on the case, and get up in the morning, put them in, and go about my business. I shopped around carefully for an audiologist in my area and compared prices and the capabilities of the Phonak and other brands. I researched options mostly on the ziphearing.com website. It was informative and ultimately instrumental in my choice. Also, the Zip offered a significantly better price. I learned of the significant new features that new models offered and upgraded to the 2025 technologies. I'm very glad I did, because previously I had an older pair of Phonaks that I kept for, believe it or not, over 10 years. And I should have replaced much sooner. They were good and still worked, but they offered nowhere near the experience of the new ones that I have. The old ones are still in working order, as I said. I got my original Phonaks because as a college professor, I had gradually begun to have difficulty hearing some students, those with higher pitched or softer voices. Although now I'm retired from full-time teaching, I continue to lecture and present my artwork and research at professional meetings and to other groups. I now hear those softer, higher-pitched voices much more clearly, and I can hear nuances in tone and that older hearing aids simply could not pick up. One of the best features is that the new Phonaks are rechargeable, and no more fooling around with batteries and so forth that die. Of course, they always die in the middle of something important, like a telephone call or in the middle of a lecture or at the movies. But this is the Phonak rechargeable case, and the cord fits in there, and then plug it into the wall, and the hearing aids are kept separate there, and they're easy to get in and out, and they're color-coded to make sure you get the right hearing aid in the right ear. Another great feature is that the hearing aids are volume controlled by my iPhone. Or by buttons on the hearing aids themselves, but I like the phone control because it's direct, it's visual, it's simple, it's easily accessible, and I don't have to press through a series of buttons to get the volume that I need in a particular at a particular time. While I haven't yet used the telephone call reception feature, which it has, I can see that this capability would be very convenient and maybe even an important safety feature if I was engaged in a number of things a number of activities in which you're using your hands or your attention is elsewhere. I intend to explore that capability, however, soon, along with the TV reception feature and the music reception features. I will pursue those very shortly. One of the best features is the ability of the Phonak to function effectively in places in which there's significant background noise. My wife and I like to have dinner in restaurants, like many people, and conversation sometimes is very hard to carry out, and sometimes impossible due to background noise. But the new Phonaks have the ability to separate background noise from nearby conversation to a remarkable degree. This feature also helps out in movies or lectures, concerts, and so forth. My wife likes the Phonaks as much as I do. There's no more, what'd you say? How's that again? That's an important feature, maybe the important feature. I like to listen to music, especially jazz and classical, and the new hearing aids have really transformed that experience. I hear subtleties that I didn't know existed previously. I have yet to find any significant disadvantage to the Phonak Audéo 170s. One minor detail is that the wax filter and earwax protector are a bit tedious to clean and exchange, but that's partially due to some arthritis in my hands. Otherwise, they're quite easy to do, and that's to keep the size small as possible. Finally, an important improvement that the new Phonaks offer, for me, is improved safety. I ride a bicycle often and can hear approaching cars much better. This improvement also applies when driving my car. Finally, I'll say that the instruction manual is very thorough and easy to read, and I've appreciated my new hearing aids quite a bit. I wish I had gotten them much earlier, and I heartily recommend them to everyone. Thank you.